welcome back to another hotel tour. Today we are here in front of the Excalibur. This is where we're going to be touring today. I've stayed here a lot in the past. It's one of the more affordable hotels on the Strip, and I've gotten a lot of like comps and stuff in the past, and so I am quite fond of this, even though it is a little bit of an older hotel. But yeah, there's not really much of an intro. We're just gonna get right into it. We're gonna start with a room tour like we normally do. I do want to specify that I am not promoting people to travel right now. This is really just for entertainment purposes. A lot of people are staying at home, and so since you can't travel and do some of the things that you wanted to this summer, I decided to go and tour these hotels as a little bit of an escape for you guys. And then for the people who are traveling, it's just a way for you to see what the hotels are like during this pandemic. But like I said, I'm not promoting people to travel. If you are traveling, I hope everybody is staying safe and following all the rules and just all the precautions that you can. You know, wearing masks, washing hands frequently, stay socially distant. Either way, whether you're staying in or you're traveling, I hope you guys do enjoy the video. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you never miss a future video. Let's go. Okay, so we're starting with the standard room. Here is the bathroom. Guys, there's not too much in terms of decor and like wow factors, to be honest. I don't know if that's because it's an older room or if it's supposed to be this like medieval grunge type theme. I don't know. There's my brother and his friend. Hi. All right, guys, so yeah, this is just standard room with two queens. We actually got a pretty decent view of the Strip here and the New York roller coaster. But here's a pan. Got a seating area, dresser, TV, and some beds. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna head to the casino floor. Admittedly, I actually love staying here. I love the medieval theme. I love the castle. I'm sort of obsessed with like British royal history way back when, like War of the Roses time. But anyways, we're gonna start with the circle. We're gonna go all the way around so you can just see the different like restaurants and things that are available and shops. What I have noticed is it's a pretty common theme in terms of the layout. All the like shops and restaurants are on the outside, and it usually is just like a circle, and then the casino, the slots, the tables are all in the center. So I have noticed that at all the hotels that I've been to. I'm not sure if that's just because they're all M Life MGM properties and so that they're stylistically the same, but I find it pretty convenient because if you're looking for something specific, just go walk around the outside. Here's the sports book. It's big. It's actually one of my favorite ones. The chairs are super comfy. I've spent many a days just hours and hours watching sports when they were still going on, at least. Anyways, so yeah, go ahead and enjoy the casino floor. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying the music. I went like very like dead on with the theme here, but it's having some fun. So up here is the food court area. I'm just kind of showing you the buffet, and they have some more like clothing shops, but obviously with everything going on right now, not all of the places up here are open. So like, yeah, the buffet is closed. But the reason why I brought you up to this food court is because they have some nice treats in here. They have Starbucks, they have like a pretzel place, they have a Cinnabon, yum. But if you walk through here, I wanted to let you know that multiple hotels are connected to each other. Right now the trams are down, so you would go through the food court to get to the next hotel if you didn't want to walk outside. So you'll see towards the end there's a hallway that would actually lead you down to the Luxor, and that would be down this way, but I turn around obviously because I don't need to go to the Luxor. And now we're moving on to the fun dungeon. I'm just kidding. Anyways, so the Excalibur is actually probably one of the more... Oh my god, did you guys hear the music change? How awesome. That totally fits the dungeon theme. Anyways, I'm so sorry. The Excalibur is actually way more kid-friendly. It is one of the most kid-friendly places on the strip. What I found so cool is that there's literally like full-blown carnival-size games as well as just regular arcade games. Now this is actually open right now, but with everything going on, I would definitely bring like wipes and a lot of hand sanitizer. Tournament of the Kings is supposed to be one of the best live dinner shows on the strip, but of course it is closed right now. Kind of a bummer, but this is for sure a fun area. I came down here actually during the Pac-12 tournament with one of my friends, and we were playing like the basketball shooting game and just a lot of different things. It was actually quite fun, even though I'm a little bit older. Like it's for kids, but it's for sure for adults too. And we have a really little kid area right here. They were actually showing a 4D experience movie, which we already passed. Sorry about that. And then up here to the right is actually a virtual like reality quest maze thing. And unfortunately that is closed right now too. But all in all, a great time down here. Cue the pool vibe music in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so this pool is actually really nice. It was my first time coming out here. As many times as I've stayed here, this is my first time going to the pool. They have a really large main pool and then like 3 other smaller pools. I'm sorry, I was about to say 4, but there's 4 pools in total. I think there was a slide, but honestly, like I was walking around, you can see there's a lot of security people, and I don't know if I was really supposed to be filming, so I just walked around to give you a general idea of the landscape. But there's definitely a lot of places to sit, a lot of places to take a dip in, and beautiful rocks and waterfalls, a lot of like photo like op areas as well, and I guess there's a water slide. So if you come, that's something you'll have to go seek and try to find. That'll be your quest, okay? But I definitely stayed out in the pool for a very long time, like 12 to 5. That's something that I normally do when I come to the hotels during the pandemic, is just relax by the pool, get some drinks, and enjoy the sun. So the spa and fitness center are through the same walkway that you would take to get to the pool. Here is a little shop and like convenience store, but there is the spa there. And then to the left down the hall, not super down the hall, but here is the fitness center. It is a nice size. They have tons of equipment. I have worked out in here before, and I was able to get a really hard, like ample, sufficient workout done. And what I do love is that you can look out onto the pool while you are working out, and so you'll see that view in a second. But yeah, the people at the pool can't watch you working out, so there's like a, you know, tape on the glass or something. I don't know. Anyways. Sitting here, I did try to see if there was like it says women's spa, men's spa, don't really know, but like you can see here on the door, but it was locked. So I don't know if it was just the timing or if the spa is closed altogether. That's something you'll have to ask when you stay here. Hi guys. Okay, so editing Tatiana here. I totally forgot to film an outro. Oh, and I have the hiccups right now. Hold on. Alright guys, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry that I don't have a better outro, forgot to film one. Anyways, I appreciate everybody that's watching, and the growth on the channel is tremendous, and I'm so excited about it. It means a lot. And so if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. And until next time guys, much love.